Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Vantrue Ondash T1 dash cam. Now you can pick this up on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, 120 bucks. Alright, so let's go through the features real quick. Now this one has a super capacitor instead of a lithium ion battery. So basically what that means is it can survive greater temperatures. From -4 all the way up to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. So if you live somewhere like Arizona where it's always hot, or if you live in Alaska where it's always cold, this one is going to survive. Now it features super night vision. You got the ADAS, that's Advanced Driver Assistance System. Let me say that again. Advanced Driver Assistance System. That's like lane departure. I'll show you how that works. Comes with GPS, Wi-Fi. You got a G sensor with loop recording. 24-hour parking mode, Bluetooth remote control. You can rotate the display, and you can shoot video up to 2K. That's 2304 by 1296 at 30 frames per second. All right, so let's check this one out. Shout out to White Shoes. Got the day off. We got Dr. Manhattan on deck. Here we go. Rah. Vantrue Ondash T1. Now, if y'all watch my channel, y'all know all of my dash cams are from Vantrue. Let's see what it is. Now this one has a new style presentation, quick start guide, usual books and shit, plug them and file them. Now this is going to be your Bluetooth remote. Let's see how this looks. Now it comes with a sticky pad so you can lock this somewhere if you want. Little click button or leave it in your ashtray. Here's your camera. Now this one looks a little bit more modern and futuristic. Let's see. Now, I thought you can rotate the display 360 degrees. Maybe not. We'll play with it for a second and figure it out. Let's see what else you get. Now, this is going to be your mount, 3M tape. More sticky tape, more mount accessories. And let's see what kind of plug you get. Frustration level increasing. All right, here it goes. All right, calm down, calm down. This is going to be your... Okay, no micro USB, regular USB to USB-A, mini USB. This is your cigarette lighter charger. And that's pretty much it. Now, no LCD display on this one. So this one is a little bit more inconspicuous. This is the front. Don't forget to peel that little stick off. If you can. All right, here it goes. Rah. And this is the back. This kind of looks like a fan. Let's see. All right, so that's going to lock in like that. Now, this one doesn't have the suction mount. So you're going to have to stationary mount this one. That's pretty much it now. Bluetooth remote. This one looks kind of funky. Kind of looks like a fan. I like this. Vantrue branding. It is what it is. Now, I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to set this up in the car and we'll do some driving tests and see what this video footage looks like. Otherwise, I might stick with my older Vantrue because I actually like to have the LCD display. This one might be better for the back of the car. Let's see. Now, no, that's kind of weird. I thought it would have been. Oh, it does. Okay, it does. I just didn't want to break it. It does have a full 360-degree rotation. Now, this is going to be cool for your secondary camera. I might rock 2 cameras. Let me show you why. If you got this one set up somewhere, it's not going to look like a camera. So this is better for your clandestine recordings. You're going to have it like this in your car. You get pulled over by the cops, spin it around. Doesn't necessarily look like a big camera with that big LCD display. All right, so I'm definitely feeling this part. All right, since there's no LCD display, you're going to have to control everything from your phone. So the first thing you want to do is download Vantrue Road View app. Let's plug in the camera. Listen to that voice prompt.
Start recording.
All right, automatically started recording. We'll go back to the app. Let's connect to the dash cam. All right, so you're going to have to find the Wi-Fi. It's car DV. The password is 123456789. Then it'll connect. Now that'll be your live view. You can take it over to albums. So let's take it to the SD card. So you got some stuff I just recorded. You can play it right here. Now, of course, this is upside down, but y'all see White Shoes. trolling as usual. Let's exit out of that. Bunch of different video clips. Let's go to settings. Okay, you can change the password. There's your audio switch, G sensor. Now, if you're loop recording, you got 1 minute up to 5 minutes. So we'll leave it on 5 minutes.
Stop recording. Start recording.
You hear that voice prompt? I like that. Let's see, you got your video resolution.
Stop recording. Start recording.
Let's put it to max,
Stop recording.
30 frames per second.
Recording.
Let's see, you got your lane departure, rotate display, parking monitor, GPS, stamp, device information, firmware upgrade. You can format your card right from here. Now also, if you use this Bluetooth remote, you press that and it'll take a picture.
Capture photo.
You heard it? Listen.
Capture photo.
Captured photo. Then if I want to, I could go to, let's go to albums, and we'll see the photo that I just caught. And this is the photo. Now, of course, it's upside down, but there it is. All right, so let's take this outside and get some footage. All right, one more thing. Now, just in case you're wondering, where do you put your micro SD card in? On the back, you just twist this open. There's your micro SD card slot. And there's a set of white shoes back from vacation. Now, here's where you put your charger in, mini USB, and rock out. All right, so let's go get some test footage. What up, Shoes? Shout out to White Shoes. All right, so you've seen the video quality for yourself. On a scale of 1 to 10, this is a major go. $120, that's a win. Now, the only downside, there's no physical LCD display, but it depends what you like. You might want more of a clandestine look, so that's where this is going to fit in. Plus, you got your Bluetooth button. I'm definitely feeling that. Anyway, this is the Vantrue Ondash T1. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, one to beam up. Energize.